I'm Shao, a rapper, manga author, and occasional ninja. I'm a huge fan of Japanese anime and manga, food and culture. So I'm traveling the country to show you what Japan is like post-pandemic. Things to do, see, and eat. Don't eat that though. So that hopefully you'll venture outside of the capital and see some of the things this amazing country really has to offer. Welcome to And here we are in Shibuya. And as you can see, it is very busy. It's a great place to come if you want to, kind of feel the center of Tokyo. I believe, personally, I mean, I could be wrong, but I believe Shibuya and Shinjuku are good representations of that kind of thing. Man, I love Shibuya. Welcome back, by the way. So, this is Hachiko the dog, and is one of the unofficial landmarks of Japan. He was an extremely loyal dog who would wait for his owner every day at 3 p.m. at that spot until his owner died at work, and he would keep coming back for 10 years until he died. He'd keep coming back to that spot. Right here, we got the world-famous Shibuya crossing. It's estimated about 3,000 people cross at any one time. You may have seen it in popular media and movies and stuff, but yeah, it's a madness. Make sure you're not filming when you cross that, because you might die. But yeah, as you can see, it's definitely worth checking out if you're in Tokyo. I prefer Shibuya to Shinjuku. I don't know why. I just prefer the energy there, I guess. I wish I could tell you what was going on here. I don't know. Okay, so I'm just realizing I think I've only ever actually been to Shibuya at night. So if you've ever been during the day, you let me know what it looks like. Now, here's a slight little thing. One thing that always threw me about Tokyo is that the trains back home, everything stops running at around midnight. So if you are not in the center and you're looking to stay out, hang out, drink a little bit, you better be on a train before midnight or expect to be waiting until 6 a.m. to get back. Unless you want to pay for a taxi or something. They got a Disney store here. They really like Disney here, I think. So yeah, just bear that in mind. Trains stop around midnight. And if you're not on that train, you're going to be waiting a long time. But, pro tip, karaoke booths. There's a lot of karaoke around. If you rent out a karaoke booth, you can sing or actually just sleep in the booth if you want. And you're good. I hear this also works for internet cafes as well. You did not hear that from me. Now this here is Shibuya Parco. We're on the 6th floor. It's the only floor you need to know about, but they got plenty of food, shopping. But even better, they got the Nintendo store here. What else we got? Capcom. Of course, we had to go say hi to the road warrior himself, Mr. Ryu. Make sure you say it right as well. It's not Ryu. Ryu. Okay. And welcome to Japan. Here we have the very best anime in the world. No contest, no debate. If you haven't watched this, you suck. Also no contest, no debate. The jump store was pretty cool. Definitely a place to go visit if you're in Tokyo. And you can find out how tall you are in relation to some of the Straw Hat crew, which of course is essential information. Now personally, I found that I am somewhere between Zoro and Robin. Robin is flipping tall, by the way. Can we talk about it? But I'll take it anyway. So yeah, they had plenty, and I feel it's the sort of store that's gonna be constantly updating and changing their stock. Haikyuu, can we talk about it? Like top 5, come on. My Hero Academia. There's plenty of stuff. Make sure you bring your money. Wano Arc. And the second Pokemon Center of the day. This is the Shibuya one, of course. Completely different aesthetics, feel. This one felt more like an urban. Is urban right? Well, look, just the, like the graffiti gave it a nice little touch. I guess the last one that we went to was a bit more cutesy. This one, I guess, felt like it had a bit more of an edge with all the black around. I didn't peruse the stock too deeply, but I wouldn't be surprised if they have slightly different merch at this one. much of the same but slightly different, you know, so it would give you a reason to go to different stores. But if you're a massive Pokemon fan, then you're going to be so happy in Tokyo. Professor Pikachu, I don't know what this was. It's fine, dudes. You know what? We're just absorbing the Pokemon vibes. And onwards to the Nintendo store. And it's a great store. You know, I really wish we had just more stuff like this in England. And I feel like England is getting there with the nerdy culture and nerdy offerings. And that's not to say Nintendo is exclusively nerdy, but, you know, I would really just like more stores like this. They very obviously originated in Japan, and they are very proud of their key characters and everything like that. And fundamentally, this is a store to sell stuff, but it's still just cool to go into, you know? It's nostalgia vibes. It's like, hey, I remember this vibes. I mean, that's nostalgia. It's dancing in the shop vibes. Don't watch me, okay? Don't judge. You would do the same. So then, heading back to the station, just past this random shop. The nature of this video is I don't know. Basically, I don't know what this shop was selling, but it was just really cool that it looked like kind of like an official art store, but it just had One Piece stuff in it. And I'm gonna keep saying this until it drives home in your mind. Like, anime and manga is taken so seriously in Japan, in Tokyo in particular. You know, it's treated like real art, which it is. And here we are at a restaurant called Torikizoku. It's a chain of restaurants. They specialize in yakiniku, which is grilled skewered chicken. It tastes so much better than the way I'm describing it. But they've also got stuff like karage, edamame, yakiniku, grilled meat on skewer. That one was beef, I believe. And you know what? I'm just going to leave you with these pictures to get your mouth watering, but it was flipping delicious and very affordable. So on the next episode and the last day in Tokyo, we're going to check out a traditional Japanese park, find a giant Gundam, and have a look around the Shinjuku area. So I'll see you then.
Konnichiwa Guan. They don't understand the slang that I'm on. I don't give a damn to spend the Nihon. When it's hammer time, shout turn into Shao Kahn. Done it, naze, nani. They don't have a